Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Successor of Olófin. In this path, the practice is born of marking the cross on the cowrie shell of each of the Òrìṣà and placing the heads of the Adi, hens, with Òrúnmìlà. The secret of this path is to make Ibo, ritual offering, using the bones of the animals given to the Santo spirit, and later to prepare Sanyin, a spiritual concoction using herbs and bones. Patak, story. When Olófin was king of the Òrìṣà, he decided to see who among them could replace him, as he was old and ill. He gathered all the Òrìṣà and informed them that he would send them on a journey, and that the one who received the most honors would become king. All of them dressed in their finest, gold and diamonds, except the diviner of that land, who was Òṣé Méjì. He lived in poverty and wore rags. He carried only a single sack as his luggage. He performed Òṣé, a general divination, saw his sign, and made Ibo with 2 white hens, a diadundun, which he gave to his Ifa, keeping their Ori, heads, in the sack. The group set off, and during their pilgrimage, they arrived at Ketu. There, they were honored and served. Rooster, hens, guinea fowl, pigeons, goats, rams, and she-goats. In these grand banquets, the Òrìṣà took the best parts for themselves, and left Òṣé Méjì only the heads, feet, and wingtips. He accepted his fate with humility, added those remains and bones to his sack, and continued. When they left Ketu, the group traveled to the land of Eguado, where the people were sailors and only ate fish. Everyone ate snappers, guabinas, eels, and biajacas, types of fish. Again, Òṣé Méjì collected only the heads, fins, tails, and bones from the feast, and saved them in his sack. In every land they visited, he continued gathering only leftovers. When they returned from the journey, they appeared before Olófin. The Òrìṣà each told stories of their receptions and banquets. Òṣé Méjì said little, never mentioning that he had been humiliated or given only scraps. Then Olófin asked, "What proof do you bring me of all these claims?" The Òrìṣà had no way to prove anything, but Òṣé Méjì opened his sack and let fall before Olófin the heads, feet, fins, tails, and bones of all the animals and fish, thus proving the truth of his words. Olófin called Òṣé Méjì to ascend the throne alone, covering him with cori, sacred cloth, and ivory, and declared, "This is the one who shall succeed me. All the other Òrìṣà will be submissive to him and will follow his commands. Furthermore, from today onward, among your ritual meals, you must include the heads, feet, and tips of the wings of all birds you eat. And in your spiritual secrets, you must include the bones of the throat of Kakumifuye, 4-legged animals that speak the truth, as testimony of this declaration."